You know, there's days that just stupid stuff happen. Just happens. And you can be all prepared and then something just, you go, how does that happen? Well, I'm on my mail route. I got about an hour and a half left. It's going good. And I went to turn around and I hear air gushing out. I'm like, oh no, there's something in my tire. And I look, and I'm just gonna show you. How? How does that happen? I don't think I was even off the road. So, it's always wise to have tools with you. Of course, you know, I swapped between two vehicles, and I left my 4-way lug wrench in my other van. But thank the Lord, I had the emergency, you know, stuff that comes with the manufacturer when you buy it. Awesome. So, yeah, you're gonna watch me change a tire. Life of a rural carrier, you're gonna get flats. Oh yeah, you're gonna get it, without a doubt. Get into some other day. All right, y'all, almost done. Aluminum jack. I mean, just buy one. It's happened before, but not a stick this big. Oh yeah, that is a mailman life. So you got the mailbox.